we go into room 129. So, welcome to room 129. We'll start off with the light. You do need to put the key card in the light, but thankfully we got a second room key, so that was nice and simple. And we've got some coat hooks, coat rack, and fancy mirror. Here we go. I feel like a star. Also got a hairdryer down there, and then up here we've got extra pillows, spare soft pillows there, and an extra towel and some hanging space. Cool bag is not included. And then in here, just an empty drawer. Bin, kettle with tea and coffee making facilities. And then coming over here, we've got the light switch controls for the bed. Nice double bed there. Now this room does not have the USB sockets by the bed like in the West Thurrock Premier Inn, but it does have some under bed storage there. Ooh. And then we got it with the additional bed rather than the sofa, so they've converted that into the bed for us as well. And then we do have a window. Now this hotel doesn't have air conditioning. Open that. Here we go. It doesn't have air conditioning, but they have provided a fan, which is exciting. And there is a heater as well, you can see there. And then we've got the HDTV. And then here, got some additional UK plugs. Looks like an Ethernet socket and more plugs there. So no USB ports at all, but loads and loads of UK plugs. All right, let's check out the bathroom. So first of all, we have been greeted with this sign. So apparently the steam can activate the fire alarm. Right, here we go. So we got the nice big mirror here and the toilet. This is very similar to the other bathroom, but I think slightly smaller. So nice bath shower combo, and they provide hair and body gel, which is not my favourite, so for me that's a bring your own shampoo. And then over here they've got not just soap, but gentle soap. And a little sink. So there you have it. That is the room tour of the Premier Inn Folkestone. It's the one that's nearest the Channel Tunnel, room 129.